Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to create a dynamic top in filter in Tableau. So here we'll just try to put a filter on product name. I mean the top 10 filter on product name and the sales combination. So let's bring product name here and then bring sales in columns and then just sort this data from largest to smallest. So now if I want to filter top 10 values under each subcategory, so how do we do it? So for that we have to create a calculated field, simple calculated field. So first let me bring um, subcategory into rows, and then after this we just have to create one simple calculated field called top rank, and then you can just type this formula sum of sales. So here I'm using sales, so I have taken sales, and you have to mention the sort type. So I want to sort the values in a descending order. So and then press OK. So here it gets created. Then just bring top rank in filters. So once you bring these values in filters, here it will show all the number of rows. So if you see right, we see 1850 rows available. So we just have to we need only top 10 values here. So just type it top 10 and then press OK. So now it will filter only for top 10 values. Now we can just go ahead and do the show filter for subcategory. Here it will show all the subcategories that are present in the subcategory column. So now if you select any one subcategory, right, so this automatically select top 10 sales values based on the subcategory that is selected. So here I've selected accessories, so now it is showing top 10 values for accessories. Similarly, you can just select any other subcategories here, so it automatically selects the top 10 values based on the filter selection. So you can also do the combination selection. So now if you see, so it is pulling the values for two subcategories. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any further questions, you can just type it in the comment section. Thank you very much.